Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix a problem was detected with a true depth camera. Face ID has been disabled. So if you see this kind of error on your Face ID and how you can fix that, for this what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, you have to simply close this page, and after that the first thing you have to do is you have to simply restart your device. For this what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold the power and volume up button, and after that you will find this kind of power off feature, and after that you have to simply turn it on again, and you have to simply restart it. And the next thing you have to do, you have to go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and here you have to simply click on software update, and here you have to make sure that you have installed the latest iOS update. And if you have already installed the latest iOS update, then what you have to do, you have to simply close this page, and here what you have to do next is you have to simply remove any kind of restriction. If you have made any restriction to Face ID or passcode, for this what you have to do, you have to click on setting, and you have to go to screen time, and after that you have to click on content and privacy restriction, and you have to make sure that this toggle is turned off. And after turning off this feature, then what you have to do, you have to simply go back, and here what you have to do, you have to simply set up your Face ID again so that it can work properly. And if the problem is still there, then you can simply again restart your device and hope this will fix error. If the problem is still there, then you can simply open Safari and you have to ask the problem to the Apple solution, so that they can provide you a solution to that problem. And here you can simply search for the Apple support, and you can simply discuss the problem in Apple discussion, so that you can get the solution of the problem from any Apple user which is facing the same problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.